Hi, my name is Grant Oinen. Imagine a place where you could learn all the skills they don't teach you in school. I've been putting together a collection of playlists on YouTube that quickly cover as many life skills as possible, so a person could watch them all in one place and solve problems and prevent mistakes. There are over 40 skills covered so far, ranging from handy skills to art and design skills to personal skills. I tried finding quick and concise videos that teach things correctly as much as possible. It is still a work in progress. I feel like it could be pretty life-changing to learn about so many skills even if you don't master them all. It started when I made a playlist for home repair and improvement. That playlist is pretty large because it covers multiple skills like plumbing, wiring, insulation, and more. The playlists are of videos by other people, but I've made a few videos of my own and plan to do more. For the most part, I didn't include skills that I think are usually covered in grade school like math and science, as well as driver's license training and firearm safety training. I might include some of that later. I hope you find the playlists helpful. To access the playlists, go to youtube.com/@Grant Oinen/playlists. Link is in the description as well. Thank you for watching.